Hi, this is Mr. Richmond, and for this video I'm going to show you how to make an appropriate line graph using Microsoft Excel. So for this particular data set, I have a person jogging at 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50 minutes, and their responding heart rate at 140, 150, 160, 70, and 180 beats per minute. I just made this set of data up, but it might be a good example for this video. So once I have my data put in, again, as always, we have our independent variable in our first column, which in this case is going to be the amount of time that person is jogging. The dependent variable, what is being measured, is always going to be in the second or remaining columns of your Excel file, data table, whatever it may be. So once I have all my data in, I'm going to highlight, go to the top tab, click on Insert, and then here's where it gets a little bit tricky. A lot of people like to go on the line graph, but I prefer the scatter plot option, and you can find an appropriate line, and that will work at least for my class. And as always, with an appropriate chart title, you might want to say something like the amount of time jogging and its effect on heart rate. I include both my independent and dependent variable for that title. Then I'm going to go ahead and label both my X and Y axis. So I'm going to click on this plus button at the top right hand corner. And from there I can go ahead and label my horizontal X axis. Remember, when you're making a graph, your X axis is always going to be your independent variable, which in this case is going to be the time. Don't forget your units of measurement, which is going to be minutes. Y axis is going to be your dependent variable, what is being measured. In this case it's going to be heart rate, and my unit of measurement is beats per minute, or BPM. And there is my line graph. Hope this was helpful, and good luck.